What's up, YouTube? Today, I'm doing my first live unboxing of a banana. I've never eaten a whole banana before, and I've never unpeeled one either, so this is gonna be fun. Anyway, let's get right to it. So I pulled the thingy, hopefully it works. Oh, sick. I did it. All right, taste test. Tastes like those little banana things that I ate before. Oh. Yeah, this is sick. Never thought bananas would be this good. Oh man, I love how I have so many friends who love bananas. I see why I haven't eaten them in a long time, or ever actually. But we keep going at it. Oh yeah. 10 out of 10 food. Would totally recommend to you and your family. It has lots of potassium. So, thanks guys for watching. Have a blessed day. And like and subscribe. Bye.